case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The notorious Guantanamo Bay was a hotbed of legal controversy once again in the case of Abd Al-Rahim Hussein Muhammed Al-Nashiri. A captive there, Al-Nashiri faced the military commission on capital charges. A significant twist happened, though, when it was revealed that Judge Colonel Vance Spath, in charge of the proceedings, had secretly applied for a job at the U.S. Department of Justice. As a result, Al-Nashiri's defense counsel, believing Spath was compromised, withdrew, and Al-Nashiri was left with a lone Lieutenant Piette on his defense against a full-strength prosecution. The conflict of interest led to a halt in the commission proceedings. Al-Nashiri sought assistance from the government via a motion, only to be scorned. Unfazed, he filed a petition for a writ of mandamus, a court directive for government officials to correct an abuse of discretion. The court took note of the situation and granted the mandamus writ. The rationale was clear. Fair play and impartiality were paramount, especially in cases centering serious crimes. Therefore, the court proceeded to dismiss all rulings issued by Judge Spath after November 19, 2015, and all connected decisions by CMCR, including those reviewing Spath's orders. In a parallel development, a similar petition by Spears and Eliades for mandamus was dismissed as irrelevant, marking the end of a major phase in Al-Nashiri's case. The case underscored the importance of maintaining judicial impartiality and the fallouts when this principle is eroded.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.